Hello everyone, welcome to another ChatGPT tutorial. Today I will show you how to use ChatGPT for email marketing and for generating cold emails. So let's start first with email marketing. So let's say you want to create a abandonment cart flow and you want to do it with ChatGPT. So what you can do is you can say, for example, generate me an abandonment cart flow or abandonment cart email template for my e-commerce business that's called Nuomo, for example. As you can see, this is just one way how you can pretty much generate abandonment cart flow or email template for your e-commerce business. That's called Nuomo, for example. This is just an example, right? As you can see, you can obviously, as you can see, also the Nuomo team. This is funny. This is great. So this is one way how you can use. The second way how we can use is we can actually write cold emails. So let's say, we need to be really specific here. So what we can do is we can type in create a cold email for my company that is targeting for my company. Now we need to be really, really specific. Create a cold email for my company that is helping, for example, helping doctors with generating more leads with Facebook ads, for example. So let's do this. As you can see, it's generating a really extensive cold email here. Obviously, you can also customize the cold email. I would say this cold email is a little bit too long, but you can definitely try it out, right? To see what works, what's not working. Okay, so let's say we have a cold email, right? Let's say we want a subject line. So let's say find me top 5 subject lines with 90% open rate, or top 5 email subject lines with 90% open rate. As you can see, it's not possible for me to provide specific email subject lines that have 90% open rate, but that can be greatly depending on variety of factors. Okay, but it's still giving me some tags or some subject lines, and not subject lines, but tips for subject lines. But what we can do is we can actually copy this and just say, find me email subject lines that are getting opened a lot, for example. It's still not possible. Okay, so this is not possible. I thought this one is actually possible, but it will give you again some of the tips to generate to generate a good subject line. Okay, so we have that, but what we can do is we can maybe say, give me top 10 or give me best subject lines for my emails, for example. And yeah, it's still giving me tips, so you cannot actually get the best subject lines, unfortunately. So I'll just go here and delete this to start fresh. So as you can see, what we can do a lot of different things. We can create templates for email marketing. We can create cold emails. We can do this for each of the niches as well. Okay, let's say we want to contact, let's say we want to contact, or let's say we want to create a template again, right? So we can create a template, a cold email template, create a cold email template for my company that helps men lose weight within 90 days. So you can be as specific as you want here. As you can see, the prospect are tired of struggling to lose weight. Okay, this is great. Our program combines this and that. If you're interested in learning more, okay. Best regards. Okay, this is a short one. It's a really good one as well. So yeah, this is pretty much what you can do, right? So these are just a couple of examples that I wanted to show you how to use ChatGPT for email marketing and cold emails. Obviously, if you want to know more, definitely visit ChatGPT or chat.openai.com to see what you can do for your email marketing. If you're more creative, you can get more creative responses as well. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.